Hello everybody and welcome back to the Lily Rock channel. Today what we will be talking about is first day of school. The Lily Rock channel, the first day of school 2017. Now, first off, getting ready for school, what you gonna need? Clothes. Clothes, that is the main important part right there because that's gonna show first impressions to everybody. First impressions, what the older generation has always told us. First impressions is the most important impressions. Everybody's gonna remember that right there because that makes you for who you are and on down the line throughout that school year. So, as you can see, my clothes that I have my black shirt, got the zippers on the side, and my little jeans, Regal. Still got the tag on them, of course. Yep, Regal, right? I don't know if you guys can see that. That's the name. And yes, needs a little ironing. Other than that, that's my shirt and my pants of what I will be wearing. Shoes has to go with the outfit as well. From top to bottom, you have to get it all right. Next, your hair. Your hair gonna have to be on fleek and it's gonna have to do you well and great too. And it's gonna part of your outfit too. Girls, get your hair did. Guys, get your hair cut, braided, dreads, twists. Doesn't matter. If you got long hair, do it. Short hair, do it. Secondly, once you're done with that, make sure you brush your teeth. Bam. And deodorant. But always, if you have to, if you forget to brush your teeth, you wake up late one morning, have these in your backpack. You can't go wrong. Because you can always go to the bathroom. And then deodorant, you know you're going to need this no matter what. Jim, don't nobody want to smell your stinking must. Oh, deodorant after. Okay? And then, you know, you might want to brush your teeth just in case you find somebody you might want to kiss up on. Okay. And once we get done with that, getting dressed and ready for school, you might want to listen to a couple of little music and every now and then, especially at the bus stop or riding the bus. So have yourself some headphones with your phone or MP3 player or some kind of musical device. Just make sure you don't listen to it in school, in class, okay? Just on the school bus, waiting on school, I don't. And when you do your toothpaste, have a toothbrush. So the things that you should have in your backpack, make sure you have a toothbrush, toothpaste, and especially a deodorant, okay? Now, black people, all people, my people, make sure you have some lotion. School time starts in basically winter time, and we get ashy quick. Lotion up and have it in your backpack as well. Now, to all my people out there, my people, make sure you have a pen and paper for school, class. It's so simple. It's only, go to Walmart, it's only 96 cents for 50 cents for a composition notebook. Look at that. And 25 cents. Go to the dollar store or something. Gosh, don't nobody like nobody who asks for paper and pen, borrowing a pen, you never give it back. You ask for a pen, you ask to borrow a pen, and you never give it back throughout the whole school. Really? Don't do that. Don't be messy like that. Can't do that. We're gonna be prepared. So, going over it again. Basically, what you're going to need Get ready for the first day of school. Good clothes. Good clothes. Make sure you iron. Shoes. Hair done. Okay. Make sure you brush your teeth. Toothpaste. And deodorant. Try to do that before you leave the house. And make sure, before you leave the house, make sure you have extra in your backpack. So, you can do it at school if you have time, if you can. Then, while you wait on the bus, or on the bus, headphones, and your phone, MP3 player, so you can listen to music and not get bored. Notebook and pen. And make sure you have your backpack too, because you do not want to haul all them books everywhere down that hall. It's going to get heavy, and your arm's going to get tired. Okay? Thank you for tuning in to Lily Rock channel. Okay? You can follow me on Snapchat at model_CJ, model_CJ08. Okay? Or you can do, wait, that was backwards. My Snapchat is model2B, model the number 2 and the letter B. Okay? And now my Instagram is model_CJ_08. Okay? Follow.